Good morning, students. How are you all? Keep safe. Okay. Now let us have our moral science class. We completed our unit 1, Dream for Success. Last week we read the lesson. First, we had gone through brainstorming and I explained to you, and we read the lesson. We came to know through the lesson a dream for success. Her personality, J.K. Rowling, is a British novelist. She had a dream. She was going on failing. At the last, she could complete it. So we learned. Hope you have read the lesson, understood well. Now let's go through the page 8. The first picture gives vision plus hard work. Success equal to vision plus hard work. The word success has got certain magical powers. It attracts everyone, but many fail to get it. It happens not because the one does not have ability to perform or achieve something. On the other hand, just because one lacks harmful vision and hard work. Yes, it's true. Lack of hard work. We are not working hard for our The first one is motivation or goal setting. Here we decide the target to achieve. The second step is physical and intellectual struggle. Here we take every action possible to reach the goal we have already set. First one, we should have motivation and goal setting, and second one, we should have physical and intellectual struggle. So we should target on that. We should decide, I should work hard for that particular and dream for it, work for it, so that we may be able to succeed. The second one about the goal. There are two kinds of goal. One is long term, another is short term. For example, a student of high school may aim at becoming a doctor or computer engineer. This is long term goal because it is a years long process. Short term goal is something like the intention of the student to score high marks in the forthcoming exams. We should remember that a long term goal can be achieved only through short time goal. Yes, now from smaller classes to even now, many will be asking us, what are you going to do after your study? And we will have varieties of answers. I want to become a doctor, I want to become an IAS officer, I want to be an engineer. Of course, that is called long-term goal. Then the next one is, when you reach a new class, now you have passed to class 8th, you will have an aim. So even the parents will tell you, beta, you should study well, should get first in the class. Or you were poor last year that particular subject, you should try to get more mark for it. By coming exam, we hope that you will get it best mark. That is called short term goal. The next, when we set a goal, we should show justice to the abilities, resources and opportunities we have. In other words, we should be more practical and the goals should be achievable. A student who is struggling to get pass mark should not set a goal like scoring 95% in the next exam. The student can dream of gaining something around 50% in the next step. The attainment of this goal will help him or her to perform better in the future. Once a goal is attained, the students can be set higher. Yes, it is true. Always failing in 2 or 3 or 4 subjects in the class and taking all of a sudden decision, yes, next exam I'll get 95 above. No, that is not the true. We should see, we should give justice for it ourselves. Yes, coming exam I'll try for at least pass mark or 50%. Then other exams I'll try my level best. One of the factors that can help us to attain success is the realization of our weakness and strength. Every personality, every person, every student has weakness and strength. We know that nobody is 100% perfect in everything. Man is a combination of both strength and shortcomings. If one wants to succeed in life, he should accept the powers and weakness as they are. Yes, very many students, when they read once or twice, they get it in the mind very soon. Others, no, they have to read again and again. After that, only they will be getting in their mind. Or we have varieties of competition in the schools. And some of the students, they don't want to take part. I'm not able to stand in front of the stage to speak a few words, or I don't know how to draw, or I don't know how to speak, or even sports competition, I cannot run, so I will not go. So no, we should try. Unless and until we try, we should not close up. The God has given us talents and abilities. It is inborn in us, the talents and abilities which God has got, it is within us. So we should try our level best. Our talents and the power to protect us from failures in life. If we use our talent properly, we will never be sad that we are defeated. No. Once or twice take part, let it fail, no problem. But go on, try ourselves. We have to develop it. Understand the weakness, then try. Sure, we will succeed in our life, in our goal, in our dream. Okay? So our class is over of that first unit. There are 2 goals are written, short term and long term. Now we understood what it is. Both column, please fill the blanks. And the next page there are 5 questions. 4 to 5 questions are there. You may read the lessons once, twice, thrice. Understand once again well and complete the question answers. And understand you will be getting 2 marks and 5 marks question from the chapters. In the textbook itself, question is given, blank place is there. You may continue the answer, only 2 marks can be written in the textbook. 5 mark answers will be writing in the notebook. Each day's work complete same day. Each day's class complete same day. Read well, complete the lessons, homeworks today itself. We'll meet next week. Have a nice day. God bless you.